We have grown a small kitchen garden over here, especially turmeric. You can see the big leaves just like a banana leaves, and it is turmeric plant. And also you can see the green vegetables are here. We call it palak. I do not remember in the English name of this, but we have small kitchen garden over here, and it is so plant. We made it at home only. We just There are some flower plants we also grow here, but yesterday it was raining cats and dog, and because of that too much rain saved in this plant, so I pulled that all water from that plant pot. Again, I'm on the upstairs and I can enjoy this view, especially the sun. Sun is rising and getting unhided by crowd, and you can see the clear view of sun. Good morning.